Hello students, welcome back to e-classes of PNMRC High School. Let's continue with our next topic in statistics of chapter number 1, that is primary data and secondary data. Data means information that we have already studied. So there are two types of data. One is primary data and other is secondary data. Let's study in detail about these data. So, let's first understand the meaning of primary data. Data that has been collected from first hand experience is known as primary data. Primary data has not been published yet and is more reliable, authentic, and objective. Primary data has not been changed or altered by human beings. Therefore, its validity is greater than secondary data. So, primary data is the data collected for the first time by the researcher for research purpose through his own personal experience. So, we can say that primary data is a raw data or it's a original data, and as it is original data, it is more reliable. That means it is trustworthy, we can trust on such data. It is authentic, that means it is genuine, and objective. By using this primary data, the objectives can be achieved easily. So it is authentic and objective, and the method or the process of collecting primary data is costly or expensive, as it needs human resources and investment. The investigator is hired to supervise the data collection process. So it is the expensive process, and mostly the primary data is collected through surveys, personal interviews or telephonic interviews, observations, questionnaires, and case studies. As primary data is in its original form, so it is more valid than secondary data. So this is all about primary data. Now let's have a look on meaning of secondary data. Let's read it. Data collected from a source that has already been published in any form is called as secondary data. That means secondary data are second-hand data that is already collected and recorded by some researcher for their own purpose. The review of literature in any research is based on secondary data, mostly from books, journals, and periodicals. That means such data are easily available from government publications, internal records of the organization, or some books, journals, periodicals, websites, etc. And as this data is collected from some sources that has already been published, so gathering of such data is not expensive. It is easily available, it saves cost and time, but it may not be as accurate as primary data, because primary data is the original data and secondary data is second hand data. So more accuracy lies in primary data. And now let's study the difference between primary data and secondary data. So let's have a look on first point of difference between primary data and secondary data. Let's read the definition. Primary data are those which are collected for the first time. That means primary data is data that is collected by researcher or investigator directly for first time for some specific purpose. Secondary data. Secondary data refers to those data which have already been collected by some other person. That means secondary data is collected by someone else for some other purpose. Secondary data is also called second-hand data. Second point of difference is primary data is original because these are collected by the investigator for the first time. So why it's original? Because investigator himself collects the data for the first time through his own experience. So it is original. Secondary data. Secondary data are not original because someone else has collected these for his own purpose. So, secondary data is not original as it has been already collected previously from some other sources. Third point of difference is nature of data. Primary data are in the form of raw material, that means it is in its original form as they are collected for the first time. Secondary data are in the finished form, that means such data is ready to use for researchers to use for their own research. Next point is reliability and suitability. Primary data are more reliable and suitable for inquiry because it is collected for a particular purpose. As primary data are collected directly by investigator, so they are more reliable and trustworthy. It is authentic form of information. And secondary data, it is less reliable and less suitable as someone else has collected the data which may not perfectly match our purpose. It is less reliable because it is reused and it may not match our purpose perfectly. Next point is time and money. In primary data, collecting primary data is quite expensive both in time and money terms. That means it is expensive because to collect primary data there is a need of agency or investigator to supervise and control the data collection process. So such process consumes time too. So it requires both time and money. It is expensive. But in secondary data requires less time and money, so it is economical. In secondary data, it requires less time as such data is already collected by others and is ready to use. So, here we have came to conclusion that as primary data is original, so it is more accurate than secondary data. But it consumes more time and it is expensive too. So go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. In our next video, we are going to study methods of collecting primary data. Thank you.